chain link Globus style. We call it
G-style.
And why G style? It's G for style. I'm not really sure, but check this out, guys. We like our stuff nice and clean, and welded wire does the job phenomenal. First of all, if we're looking on the view, this is much easier to see the view because you have less zigzag as a normal traditional chain link, and it costs the customer the same buck.
And it's a lot stronger.
A lot stronger. The posts are square, so it makes it a more unique and modern look. So most of our customers like the modern look. And this is Malibu, and they want to see from those houses, they want to see out. And I think this is doing a phenomenal job right here instead of a chain link, right?
Absolutely. It preserves the ocean view. It's beautiful, and sometimes aluminum is just not right because you want to have as much view as possible, but you also don't want to be with an ordinary chain link fence.
Yep. You want the G-style.
You want the G-style.
So the Globus style works.
Which is a chain link fence, just a little greater.
Right, welded wire, black, galvanized. You know what could be nice also here? A little bit of an upgrade, cable railing. Cable railing with no top. And they can do it with our aluminum post. That could be really cool. And have a topper if they want. So this is a small, medium project, but does the job phenomenal and destroys the chain link look by far. So go G-style and go Globus.